The latest transfer news. Manchester United continue negotiations Pereira with Flamengo. Manchester United continue discussions with Flamengo over a deal for Andreas Pereira. Goal has learned that the Brazilian club have made a loan offer for the 25-year-old, as the midfielder wants to get more playing time ahead of next year's World Cup. Odegaard steps again permanent to Arsenal. Goal can confirm that Arsenal are one step away from signing Martin Odegaard after successful negotiations with Real Madrid. Goal has reported that the La Liga giants are now ready to sell him on a permanent basis, and the Gunners are one of his fans. Barcelona wants to swap Dembélé for Kulusevski. Barcelona proposed a swap deal involving Ousmane Dembélé and Juventus star Dejan Kulusevski earlier this summer, reports Calciomercato. The Bianconeri immediately rejected the Blaugrana's offer following Dembélé's injury record. Milan will lose Ziyech. AC Milan will miss the chance to land Chelsea winger Hakim Ziyech, according to Calciomercato. The Rossoneri are hoping to sign the 28-year-old on loan, but Thomas Tuchel wants him to be a key player in the Blues squad this season. Kroos still believes Mbappé joins Real Madrid. Messi's 21-year career at Camp Nou officially ended earlier in the month when Barca announced they could not re-sign the 34-year-old. They continue to mess around with at least meeting La Liga's current wage cap. Toni Kroos has hinted at Kylian Mbappe's transfer to Real Madrid while discussing Lionel Messi's exit from Barcelona potentially weakening his club's main rivals. PSG then signed to sign Messi on a free transfer. But they may miss Mbappe, who has yet to reach an agreement with the club over a contract extension. Tottenham aim for Kurt Zouma. Tottenham have shown interest in Chelsea defender Kurt Zouma, quoted by Sky Sports. The 26-year-old doesn't seem to fit into Thomas Tuchel's scheme. Harry Kane, Daniel Levy breaks his promise. Harry Kane is furious with Tottenham owner Daniel Levy for breaking his promise, the Daily Mail reports. Kane believes there has been an earlier agreement for him to leave the club if he fails to win a trophy or qualify for the Champions League last season. Chelsea is said to have let Emerson Palmieri leave. Journalist Fabrizio Romano reports that Chelsea are ready to let Emerson Palmieri go. Lyon showed interest, but at the same time, Napoli tried to keep the player from waiting for an offer from the Italian club in the next few days. Inter aim for Marcus Thuram. Inter are interested in Borussia Mönchengladbach striker Marcus Thuram as they look to further improve their attack following the signing of Edin Dzeko, according to Sky Sports. The 24-year-old son of 1998 World Cup winner Lilian has impressed in the Bundesliga, and is capable of playing in a variety of attacking roles including midfield and wide. He scored 25 goals in 80 appearances for Gladbach and played against Inter in the Champions League last season, registering 2 assists in the game against the Milan side. Dortmund boss believes Haaland will not leave now. Borussia Dortmund manager Marco Rose insists Erling Haaland could stay another season at Signal Iduna Park amid ongoing transfer rumors. He still has a long-term contract with us. Just because the public is constantly talking about him leaving Vfb next summer, it doesn't have to happen, Rose said during an interview with Sport Bild. Ultimately, Erling will have to decide for herself where she sees her future. Either way, we're delighted she's currently playing for us, and, who knows, it might be more than a season if we write an amazing story here, Rose said during an interview with Sport Bild.